Attention students and professionals preparing for the DICT ICT Written Diagnostic Examination. Are you looking to master the concept of arrays and excel in answering test questions related to this topic? We have some great news for you. We have created a short and informative video that specifically focuses on answering test questions about arrays in line with the upcoming DICT Diagnostic exam. In this video, we will guide you through various types of array-related questions commonly found in the DICT ICT Written Diagnostic exam. Our goal is to provide with a clear understanding of arrays and equip you with the skills to confidently tackle array-related questions. Whether you are a student or a professional, this video will serve as a valuable resource to enhance your understanding and performance in the exam. By mastering arrays, you will be prepared to tackle array-related questions and boost your overall exam score. So get ready to dive into the world of arrays and sharpen your test-taking skills. This video will be a game changer in your preparation for the DICT ICT Written Diagnostic exam. Okay, how do you declare that two-dimensional integer array named matrix with 3 rows and 4 columns? So in matrix, in array, two-dimensional array, it's declared by data type in variable name, then row 3 and 4. And 2, 3, 5, 8, 9, 11. How would you access the fourth element in nums? So index starts with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this case, the fourth element is 8. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So num 3. What happens if you try to access an element outside the bounds of an array? So if an element is accessed outside the bounds of an array, it will result in runtime error. So examine the following end items two-dimensional array. Which of the following statement replaces 99 with 77? So here is the number 99. So there are two-dimensional array. So 0, 1. The row is row 1. And element number 0, 1, 2. So 2, 1, 2 is 1. Items 1, 2. How do you declare a one-dimensional array integer? Means numbers with 5 elements. So in array declaration in CN, then numbers 5. So blank is a collection of elements used to store the same type of data. That means it's an array. So 7, what is returned by values 5? So fifth element. So here an array starts with 0, index 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is values 5 is 8. So each element in an array is identified by an index which represents its position within the array. So the index of an array starts at 0. So blank are used to create a multi-dimensional array. So if it's a multi-dimensional array, you use multiple square brackets. this is an example of a two-dimensional array. So a two-dimensional array is with rows and columns. So examine the following float values. This is a two-dimensional array with 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 3 by 3 elements. So what is in values 3, 0? So there are 3 elements and index value starts with 0, 0, 1, 2 is valid number of rows. But since the values here as the first row or the row has 3 elements, so it's beyond. So 3, 0, 1, 2. So there is no such an array element na. So it's beyond out of bound. So out of bound error in C happens when you try to access an element using an index that is outside the valid range of the array. So what is an array in programming? So the array in C programming is a collection of variables of the same type. If it's integer, integer. So how do you calculate the number of elements in an array? So the number of elements of an array is computed by determining the size of an array divided by size of array element 0. So you can use the size of operator in combination with the size of an individual element. Divide the total size of the array by the size of an individual element to obtain the number of elements in the array. So which of the following is a two-dimensional array? So this one, no. This one, okay, this one. And the data type, the name of the array, then the rows and the number of columns. So it's a matrix-like structure with rows and columns. It's a way to organize data in tabular format where elements are arranged in rows and columns. So which of the following statements correctly assigns a value of 42 to the third element of an integer array named data? So third element, therefore 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2 equals 42. So why is it not this one? Because an array starts with an index value of 0. So examine the following float values equals this one. What is 2, 1? So 1, 2, 3. So this is a 3 by 3 two-dimensional array. So 0, 1, 2. And then the first element 0, 1. So 7.9. So for int I equals to 0, I number 2 times I plus 1. So the initial value of I is 0. So 2 times 0 plus 1 is 0 plus 1 is 1 times 2, 2. So the first value of 2. So pag increment niya ang I is 1. So 2 times 1 plus 1. 2 times 2 is 4. So next element niya would be 3. So 3 plus 1, so we have the value. What's the value of 5 is 2. Okay, so this first element 0, second element 3, and then the third element 5. So 5. So for the array float stats 3, what is the range of the index? So since it's 3, so the index starts with 0. So 0 to 2. So there are 3 elements, 0, 1, and 2 index. So what is the index of the first element in an array with 10 elements? So what is the index of the first element? So an array starts with an index 0. So what is an out-of-bounds error in C? So it's an error that appears when accessing an array element using invalid index. Pwede. An array that appears when the program runs out of memory. So an error that occurs when a program fails to compile, and an error that occurs when a program encounters a syntax error. Out of bounds, that means an array element using an invalid index. And lastly, which loop is commonly used to iterate over the elements of an array? So is switch, do while, for loop, and while loop. So for loop. So for loop is commonly used in working with arrays because it allows you to iterate over the elements of an array efficiently. It provides concise and structured way to access and process each element of the array. So that's all for our quiz. So let's check. So the total score is 20. So I'll be giving you a link in quizzes for you to answer the same questions for your practice. So in order for you to practice this quiz, so you might join the quizzes. You can go to this link, joinmyquiz.com, and then you enter this code. Or you can have this link, quizzes.com join?C, and then you just register. This quiz is available until June 3, 11:15 p.m. So try to practice answering the quiz as part of your preparation for the DICT ICT Diagnostic examination. Thank you for participating in the online quiz review on the DICT ICT Diagnostic exam. We hope you found the session helpful in preparing for the upcoming examination. If you are looking for more tips, guidance, and resources to excel in the DICT ICT Diagnostic exam and ICT Proficiency hands-on exam, we invite you to visit our YouTube channel. We regularly upload informative videos covering various topics related to ICT proficiency and exam preparation. We kindly request you to like, subscribe, and share to our YouTube channel to stay updated with the latest content. By doing so, you will receive valuable tips, exam strategies, and study materials directly to your feed, helping you perform your best in the exams. Your support is crucial to help us reach more students like you who are preparing for these exams. We encourage you to share our channel with your friends, classmates, and anyone who may benefit from the resources we provide. Thank you once again for your participation and support. We wish you the best of luck in your upcoming DICT ICT Written Diagnostic exam. God bless.